Good morning students. Today we will start our new topic, that is the aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. Beta, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and some other groups have same functional group. That group is known as carbonyl group. That is known as carbonyl group. Beta, from this carbonyl group we have some classes of compounds. Just like if one side of carbonyl group is represented by H, it is known as aldehyde group. This class is known as aldehyde. If both the sides are filled by any carbon chain, never H is applied here, then it is known as ketonic group. That means ketone. If one side is represented by OH, filled by OH group, it is carboxylic acid. Clear? If OH is replaced by chlorine, acid chloride, chlorine is replaced by ammonia, NH2 group, beta amide, alkoxy group, OR, R is alkyl chain, it is known as ester. Clear? If these two groups, two same kind of group combined with one common oxygen, acid anhydride, clear? These all are the classes that have common functional group. That common functional group is known as carbonyl group. That functional group is known as carbonyl group. Beta, out of all these, we have only 3 in our syllabus, but we learn property of all the groups: aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Our first question: how aldehyde and ketones are prepared? Method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Some of the reaction we have from which aldehyde and ketone both will be prepared. Which type of these reactions are? Beta, first one is the oxidation of alcohol. By oxidation of alcohol we will get aldehyde and ketone, but the problem of this reaction, that reaction is up to the formation of carboxylic acid. For example, beta, primary alcohol is oxidized with strong oxidizing agent, potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate, either in acidic medium, basic medium or neutral medium, either one of them. They have released nascent oxygen. Beta, this nascent oxygen combined with hydrogen molecule and to give aldehyde, but this reaction will be ends up to carboxylic acid. For secondary alcohol, it will give ketone first and then oxidize to give carboxylic acid with release of carbon dioxide and water vapors. Same for tertiary alcohol. Under the influence of these catalysts, it will release carbon dioxide and water to give ketone, and finally reaction ends up to carboxylic acid. catalytic oxidation will be takes place. But we want to stop the reaction here up to aldehyde and ketones. We do not want to end up the reaction up to carboxylic acid. Then what will be happen, beta? We will use mild to stop the reaction up to this point. We can't use strong oxidizing agent. We will use mild oxidizing agent. With mild oxidizing agent, these reactions are stopped up to aldehyde or ketone. Further oxidation can't be possible. These oxidizing agents are, beta, what are these oxidizing agents? These are number of mild oxidizing agents. You must learn this, beta. PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. In place of strong oxidizing agent, we will use mild oxidizing agent. These mild oxidizing agent are PCC, PDC, dibel, Collins reagent, etc. Formula CrO3 C5 H5 NHCl. Pyridinium chlorochromate. This is pyridinium chlorochromate. Another one, PDC, pyridinium dichromate. Beta, dichromate is Cr2O7. Dichromate is Cr2O7. 2 negative. Pyridinium C5 H5NH positive. To balance the charge is removed. PDC dibel, diisobutyl aluminium, diisobutyl aluminium, etc. These are the reagents which stop the reaction up to aldehydes and ketones only. Beta, you must know another reaction also, that is dehydrogenation. That is primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Give this test. Primary alcohol with copper at 573 Kelvin. Lose these two hydrogen and to give aldehyde. Dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. Same reaction, copper at 573 Kelvin. Beta, secondary alcohol. Lose these two hydrogens in the form of hydrogen gas, and what remains? Ketones remains. This is aldehyde. This is ketone. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone. Now, beta, you know 1 to more reactions for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, from where we can prepare aldehyde and ketones both. From which reaction we will prepare both? In 11th class you will study this type of reaction, that is ozonolysis. Carbon-carbon double bond. Reaction with ozone to give ozonoid. These double bond will break and to will give ozonoid. Better this ozonoid is treated with zinc water and heat. Zinc oxide is removed. This will break and we will get aldehyde or ketone. Either same or different. Both kind. Clear? Next method is the distillation. calcium salts of fatty acid. Beta, calcium salts of fatty acid on heating release calcium carbonate, and we will get either aldehyde or ketone. Beta, from these reaction, if we want to prepare symmetrical molecule, both are same, that is the symmetrical molecule, either aldehyde or ketone. One molecule is used. If we want unsymmetrical, we will use two molecules. If unsymmetrical molecule want to be formed, then we will use two molecules. R dash is not equal to R. Both are different. Then two molecules will be used, and we will get unsymmetrical molecule. Two moles of CaCO3. This is one of the method. Another method, beta, that is distillation with manganese oxide. Distillation with manganese oxide. Beta, if you want to prepare symmetrical or unsymmetrical, you will use 2 moles of acid. Both are may be same, may not be same. May be same, may not be same. You will add manganese oxide at 573 Kelvin temperature. Beta, from this reaction, OH from one side and COOH from another side will be removed to give unsymmetrical or symmetrical. It depends upon the nature, and release carbon dioxide and water. If you want to prepare symmetrical, then to use 2 molecules. If unsymmetrical, then also use 2 molecules from this reaction. Beta, another method, that is the hydration of alkyne. Hydration of alkyne. That is R may be H, may be alkyl, or aryl, not metal. Maybe benzene, maybe alkyl chain, maybe hydrogen. On addition with water, it will give addition reaction, and we will get enol. In enol form, tautomerism take place. (1,3) hydrogen shift from oxygen to third carbon to give either aldehyde or ketone. Either aldehyde or ketone. Both are may be same, may not be same, but alkyne itself show anti-Marconic addition. Alkyl itself show anti-Marconic addition. Another one is the hydroboration oxidation. Another method is the hydroboration oxidation. Beta, in case of hydroboration oxidation reaction, we will treat the alkyne with diborane. Beta, alkyne is treated with diborane. Clear? We will get this hydrogen is break one bond and 3 hydrogen, that means 3 molecules are used, and we will get it is the hydroboration, addition of borane, and oxidation will be done with hydrogen peroxide in basic medium to give upon tautomerism it will give aldehyde or ketone. It is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Beta, it is hydroboration oxidation reaction. And another one is the Wecker process. Another one, Wecker's process. Beta, from Wecker process we can't prepare methanol. We can't prepare methanol by Wecker's process. Beta, it is done with alkene. Simplest alkene is ethene. When alkene is treated with water in palladium chloride, it is treated with water in palladium chloride in presence of CuCl. What will happen? These 2 hydrogen replaced by chlorine, 2HCl. Palladium lose the electron, gain the electron to become pure metal, and this oxygen will combine with one of the carbon, and by shifting it will give aldehyde. Methanol can't be prepared. By this process, because we must use alkene that consists of at least 2 carbon. If we use 3 carbon alkene, then oxygen will goes to carbon with less number of hydrogen atoms, that is Marconic addition. Hydrogen is replaced to neighboring carbon and release HCl and palladium metal. It is the Wecker's process. Another one is the geminal dihalides. That is, geminal dihalide means halogen present on same carbon. On reaction with aqueous alkali, 2 moles, 2 KCl will remove and we will get this one. Beta, it is unstable. It lose water automatically to give either aldehyde or ketone. Maybe aldehyde, maybe ketone. These are the reactions from which we can prepare both aldehydes as well as ketone. But we have some reactions from which only aldehydes can prepare but not ketones. Some of the reaction which prepared only and only aldehydes but not ketone. These reactions are under the heading preparation of aldehydes only. That means ketones can't be prepared by this method. First one is the Rosenmund reduction. Beta, it is the name reaction. important also. In this case, acid chloride is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium, barium sulfate, poison by sulfur dissolved in xylene or orthoxylene, or maybe paraquinone. Maybe paraquinone. These are the solvent. Beta, we will get aldehyde only. We will get aldehydes only. Second one is the Stephen's reduction. Beta, Stephen's reduction. In this case, alkyl cyanide. Beta, in this case, alkyl cyanide is treated with strong reducing agent tin in HCl. Beta, HCl in excess. Function of tin in HCl is to produce nascent hydrogen as much we require. Beta, it will give addition product. All the substances will add up, that is known as adduct. On hydrolysis, it will give aldehydes. Beta, one of the reaction you know very well, that is the Remer-Tiemann reaction. In this case, phenol. Beta, you learn this reaction in case of alcohol and phenol. Phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of aqueous alkali at 340 Kelvin temperature. What happened? You will see the formation of salicylic aldehyde. And one more reaction, beta, you learn that reaction in your lower class, that is Itard's reaction. That reaction is known as Itard reaction. Beta, Itard reaction, only aromatic hydrocarbon is used, at least toluene. Beta, toluene is treated with chromyl chloride in glacial acetic acid. Pure acetic acid. Clear? We will get aldehyde only. Benzaldehyde. Clear? Beta, these are the reactions from which we can prepare only and only aldehyde. Ketones can't be prepared by this reaction. Now, we have some reactions from which we will prepare only ketones, not aldehyde. We have some reaction for the preparation of ketones only. One of the most important reaction you will learn for that, better you know this reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In case of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, either benzene, either haloarine, either phenol react with acid chloride. In place of CH3 you may use R. acid chloride. In presence of catalyst anhydrous aluminium chloride. Beta 1 H is replaced from the benzene and this H combined with Cl and remaining will combine only for the preparation of ketones only. For this reaction only ketones can be prepared but not aldehyde. Another one from dialkyl cadmium. Beta dialkyl cadmium. It is treated with acid chloride. 2 moles of acid chloride react with dialkyl cadmium to give ketones. Cadmium is removed with chlorine. R or R dash may be same, may not be same. R or R dash, never be H. Clear? Only ketones can be prepared by this method. Another one from Grignard's reagent. Third one, that is from Grignard's reagent. Beta alkyl cyanide is treated with Grignard's reagent. R is negative, Mg is positive. All the negative combined with carbon. Double bond. Beta G N negative, positive will combine with negative part. On hydrolysis, this bond will be break to give ketone. Here it is also confirmed R or R dash, never be H. May be same, may be different, but never be H. Clear? Better these are the methods, and another method is known as Fry's rearrangement. Another method is known as better Fry's rearrangement. In case of Fry's rearrangement, ester group is treated with anhydrous AlCl3. Better it will give H of ortho or para position will remove and it will give ketones either at ortho position or at para position. And CH2, that means dry condition. Beta one of the reaction, that is the name reaction for the preparation of aldehyde only, is beta 4 aldehydes only. One reaction left for aldehyde only, that is Gattermann-Koch reaction. In case of Gattermann-Koch reaction, beta we will prepare formyl chloride on the spot. Formyl chloride, if formed not used, it will again dissociate. So when we want to use the formyl chloride, we will prepare accident. We will prepare on the spot, freshly prepared. It is treated with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride and cuprous chloride. Later it will behave as Fieldcraft reaction and to give aldehydes only. This remains. These are all about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones.